Welcome back to Car Review, where we explore the most exciting vehicles redefining the future of mobility. Today we're diving into the top 3 motorhomes of 2026, combining luxury, innovation, and adventure-ready engineering. These are not just motorhomes, they're rolling smart homes that redefine how we travel. Get ready as we explore the incredible 2026 BMW Motorhome, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, and the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. From breathtaking interiors to futuristic exteriors, it's powerful yet efficient performance and updated pricing. We're breaking it all down for you. Let's get started. Asterisk, the first masterpiece on our list is the 2026 BMW Motorhome, a symbol of German engineering excellence merged with the ultimate luxury travel experience. When you first see it, you immediately notice the aerodynamic sculpting. BMW has gone beyond traditional boxy motorhome shapes, using sleek, flowing lines, integrated LED matrix lighting, and adaptive aerodynamics to maximize fuel efficiency and stability on the road. The signature kidney grille has been redesigned in a subtle, elegant way to blend seamlessly into the front fascia. Massive panoramic windows stretch across the sides, giving it a futuristic and premium look. Even the wheels are designed with active air shutters to reduce drag. Asterisk, step inside, and the BMW magic truly begins. The interior is a luxury apartment on wheels, with materials sourced sustainably yet crafted for elegance. You're welcomed by plush leather seating, ambient lighting with customizable themes, and a living area featuring a retractable old smart screen for entertainment. The cabin is equipped with BMW's next-gen iDrive 10 system, which connects seamlessly with all your smart devices. There's a full kitchen with induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, and automated storage compartments. The bedroom has a queen-size memory foam bed with a panoramic glass roof above it, allowing you to sleep under the stars. The bathroom feels like a spa with a rainfall shower, touchless controls, and even a self-cleaning system. Asterisk, under the hood, the BMW Motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, combining a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine with dual electric motors, offering a combined output of 480 horsepower. Despite its size, it accelerates smoothly, with adaptive air suspension providing a luxury sedan-like ride. BMW has also incorporated solar panels on the roof to extend off-grid power for up to 72 hours. The driving experience is enhanced with Level 3 autonomous driving, so long highway stretches can be semi-automated, making long trips stress-free. Fuel economy for such a large motorhome is impressive, with around 18 miles per gallon combined, which is outstanding in this segment. Pricing starts at around $320,000, making it a premium choice, but worth every penny for those who want unmatched luxury and cutting-edge tech. Asterisk. Now let's move to the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, designed for the adventurous traveler who loves comfort but also values practicality. Chevrolet has crafted a bold yet functional design featuring a muscular stance with rugged edges. It has a high ground clearance, making it perfect for both city cruising and off-road camping adventures. The front fascia has a robust LED light bar that doubles as a camping floodlight. There are integrated storage boxes along the sides for outdoor gear, bikes, or kayaks. The rear section comes with an automatic expandable patio system that opens at the touch of a button, giving you an instant outdoor lounge area. Asterisk, inside. The Chevrolet Motorhome focuses on maximizing space and functionality without compromising comfort. The interior uses durable yet stylish materials like premium fabric blends and soft-touch plastics, designed for easy cleaning after outdoor trips. The layout is modular, meaning the dining area can convert into an extra bed or a workspace. There's a compact but efficient kitchen, with a convection oven, 2-burner cooktop, and collapsible sink. The sleeping quarters feature a foldable double bed, with hidden storage underneath. The entertainment system includes a 55-inch smart TV, surround sound speakers, and built-in Wi-Fi for streaming anywhere. The bathroom is compact, but cleverly designed with a wet bath system that integrates the shower and toilet space. Asterisk, performance-wise, Chevrolet offers two powertrain options for this motorhome: traditional V8 gasoline engine with 400 horsepower, or an optional DZ electric hybrid that improves fuel efficiency significantly. It's built on a heavy-duty truck chassis, giving it solid towing capacity and excellent stability. The suspension is tuned for off-road conditions, and you can even opt for all-wheel drive. It has an impressive range of around 600 miles on a single tank and includes regenerative braking for better energy management. The Chevrolet Motorhome also supports Level 2 driver assistance, helping with lane keeping and adaptive cruise control. This model is more affordable compared to the BMW. With a starting price of around $210,000, making it a great value for families who want versatility and comfort without breaking the bank. Asterisk finally, we have the 2026 Toyota Motorhome, true champion of reliability, efficiency, and smart design. Toyota has taken a minimalist yet futuristic approach with this model. The exterior is compact, but cleverly utilizes space, featuring smooth body lines, a lightweight aluminum frame, and integrated solar glass panels that power the essential onboard systems. The front has Toyota's new signature light strip that runs across the grille, giving it a high-tech look. One standout feature is the automatic side extensions when parked. The walls slide out to create an additional 40% of living space, transforming a compact motorhome into a spacious camper. Asterisk inside the Toyota Motorhome, you'll find a well-thought-out interior optimized for functionality. It uses eco-friendly materials like bamboo flooring and recycled composites for cabinetry. The seating area doubles as a dining nook and entertainment lounge, with a foldable table and hidden storage compartments. The kitchen is ultra-compact, featuring a dual-function microwave and combo, a portable induction cooker, and a mini-fridge. The sleeping area has a convertible sofa bed and an optional rooftop sleeping pod for extra guests. Toyota has integrated a clever smart home system, controlled by voice commands, allowing you to adjust lighting, climate, and even check water levels or battery status hands-free. The bathroom uses a dry flush toilet and a water-saving shower system, making it perfect for eco-conscious travelers. Asterisk underneath the Toyota Motorhome is powered by a fully electric drivetrain with a 300-mile range on a single charge, supported by a hydrogen fuel cell range extender that adds another 200 miles when needed. It's whisper quiet on the road with instant torque for easy maneuvering even on hilly terrains. Toyota includes advanced driver assistance features with full self-parking capability, making it ideal for tight camping spots. Charging is simplified with a universal fast-charging port and the ability to recharge partially using the roof solar panels. The Toyota Motorhome is also the most affordable of the three, with a starting price around $160,000, making it an attractive choice for eco-friendly travelers who want a balance of affordability, technology, and reliability. Asterisk. So, which one of these futuristic motorhomes is right for you? The BMW Motorhome leads in ultimate luxury and cutting-edge tech. Chevrolet Motorhome brings rugged adventure with family-friendly practicality. And the Toyota Motorhome shines with efficiency, compact, smart design, and eco-friendly innovation. No matter your travel style, these three models prove that the motorhome industry in 2026 has evolved into something far beyond a simple campervan. Thanks for watching Car Review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the top 3 motorhomes of 2026, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next review of the latest automotive innovations. Which motorhome would you choose for your ultimate road trip? Let us know in the comments. Till next time, stay safe and keep exploring the road ahead.